How to sync iPhone with iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Further, tap on the iCloud option you see there and then tap on the Saved to iCloud option. In here, go ahead and make sure all the tabs that you want to sync with your iPad is toggled on. In this step, be mindful of your Apple ID's storage space. Once synced, go ahead and launch the settings application on your iPad and make sure you are connected to the same Apple ID as of your iPhone. Now tap on your Apple ID and then tap on iCloud and make sure the Sync This iPad toggle button is enabled. So this is how you can sync iPhone with iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.